Okay, so we're gonna put our oil drain bolt back on, but we're not gonna put on the one that we took off. We're gonna put on Fumoto Valve, Fumoto. This is model F106SX. This is the right size for this. So the idea here is to make future oil changes much easier, where we won't have to remove a drain bolt. So you have this drain bolt that's hollow. Okay, it's hollow and it has a hole right there. And then you have this contraption with a valve. And we're gonna go ahead and take off this blue lock right here that keeps the valve from moving. So basically, the oil is gonna drain out right here. This spring-loaded valve is gonna open and close. Let's see here. This spring-loaded valve is gonna open and close right here. And then this bolt is gonna go in our, the side with the rubber O-ring is the side that's gonna seal up against the back of our pan. Our bolt's gonna go in here. And so our oil is in this container and it can go through this hollow bolt and then drain out here by flipping this spring-loaded valve right here. So that's the idea of how these work. So we're gonna put that on right now. Notice we do not add a crush washer because it has this permanent lifetime seal with that rubber O-ring. And then, like I say, we have these clips right here that you can use if you decide to. They keep the valve from moving when it's not supposed to, but okay, so this is our drain bolt where it's gonna go right here, and we're gonna put in our Fumoto valve. So I've got two pieces. I got this piece. I'm gonna put the bolt right through there. And so I've only got two hands, so hold on just one second. I want to show you how that's oriented. So the bolt's gonna go right through there. This black O-ring has to face the oil pan. I cannot turn it this way. I need that to seat up against there. So, okay. So we have it like this. And we are just hand tightening. See how this moves wherever you want it? You can tighten this by hand, depending upon how your car, the angle in your car. Of course, if it's this Hyundai, it's gonna be like this. But you can put this wherever you want. So I'm gonna use two hands, and I'm gonna hold this drain valve like that. And then I'm gonna tighten this to the 30 foot-pounds. So I'm gonna need my hands for that. So I'm gonna have my left hand holding this and my right hand doing the torque wrench. Okay. Okay. So we got it. In the future on an oil change, all I have to do is grab the spring-loaded lever and flip it up like that, and it'll drain oil out. And then when it's done, I'll just push it back. And then if you decide you want an extra measure of safety, you can always put this blue plastic locking clip that comes with it. And it's kind of made to lock this valve, just like that. Goes in there like that. So this is how I'm gonna leave it. And the next time we change the oil, and we'll just reach under there, grab off our plastic clip and flip the lever to drain it. And there will be a quick and easy oil change from here on out. So that completes our Fumoto valve install.